Here.
Sir, please, I have to go
Miss, you cannot go.
No,
You
please,
cannot go
no.
there, okay?
She lives alone. She needs me. Roslyn!
Miss, you cannot go there. Please,
Please, no, please, let's go. Roslyn!
Hey. No. Stay there, stay there.
I know her, sir. She's my friend.
I understand. It's dangerous. But please stay here, please.
Please, sir.
Stay back! No!
Sir, please, don't torture.
Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
Hello?
Tita?
Ophelia.
Tito?
Pasensya na kanina, hindi ko nasagot. Ano nga yung parang tinext mo sa akin na, ano yun, may nasusunog?
Tita, si Roselyn po kasi.
Bakit? Anong nangyari sa anak ko?
Tita, kasi ano po, bali may pumunta po sa bahay niya, tita. Wala na po siya.
Ano? Anong sinasabi mong wala na si Roslyn? Hindi magandang biro yan, ha? Hindi nakakatawa.
Meron akong ibibigay sa'yo galing sa amin ng tatay mo para hindi ka masyadong malungkot.
Gusto
Pikit mo muna mata mo.
Tara! Kaya ko na masusunod.
Diba?
Nay! Tay! Naku, bakit pa po kayo bumili ng ganito? Eh, di ba, mahal yung ganitong perlas?
Anak, ano ka ba? Hindi namin binili yan. Sinisid ko pa yung perlas na yan. Tapos nung nanay mo, naisipan namin gawing kwintas. Parang naman may pabaong kami sa'yo. O, yan ha?
Ang ganda, diba? Kasing ganda mo. Sa anak,
sa'yo.
ha? Gusto ko palagi mong suotin yung kwintas na yan. Para kapag suot mo yan, para na rin yinayakap ka namin ng tatay mo. At saka yung suot mo yan, sana hindi ka masyadong malungkot. At isipin mo na meron kang tatay at nanay na nagmamahal sa'yo, nag-aalala sa'yo dito sa Pilipinas.
Salamat, Nay.
Wala nito yung anak natin! Namatay daw si Roslyn! Hindi ako naniniwala! Hindi totoo yan! Huwag mo ako bibiruin ng ganyan! Hindi totoo yan!
Sorry po talaga. Sorry po, tito.
Hindi! Hindi ako naniniwala! Hindi ako naniniwala pa kaya hindi ako makakapayag!
Hindi lang labis na kalungkutan ang dinaranas sa mga kababayan nating OFW. Sa ngalan ng mas mabuting buhay para sa kanilang pamilya. Ang ibang hindi pinapalad, dumaranas din ng kalupitan at karahasan. Gaya na lang ni Roslyn, 25 anyos, nagtrabaho bilang nurse sa Amerika, na ang maikli at mahirap na buhay ay sumapit sa isang malagim na wakas. Sino kaya ang pumaslang kay Roslyn? At makamit kaya niya ang hustisya?
Congratulations! Masaya kami sa mga achievements mo, kaya...
Surprise!
Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you, guys! Grabe! Salamat! Nga pala, Roslyn, this is Joe. Joe or Roslyn, he is one of our maintenance crew.
Hi, Rosalind. I've heard so many good things about you from Ophelia. I wanted to meet you in person. Here, this is for you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Joe.
Hindi nga rin ako makapaniwala eh. Pero mo, 1 taon pa lang ako tapos naging nurse 2 na ako. Sa susunod, mas gagalingan ko pa. Masisipagan ko pa para mas mabilis yung promotion ko. Imaginein mo, kapag naging unit head na ako, tsaka kapag naging head nurse na ako, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung pera na mapapadala ko sa Pilipinas. Troy, okay ka lang ba? Nakikinig ka ba sa akin?
Oo naman. I'm happy for you.
May problema ka ba?
Roslyn, alam mo naman nung nakasunod ka dito sa US, alam mong masaya ako, di ba? Masaya ako magkasama tayo. Ayoko nang malayo sa'yo.
Troy, anong ibig mo sabihin?
Natuloy na yung pag-a-assign nila sa akin sa Florida. Roslyn, magpakasal na tayo. Sumama ka sa akin.
Ano ba yung sinasabi mo?
Gusto mong pakasal sa akin, di ba? Ayoko malayo sa'yo, please. Mahal na mahal kita.
Troy, mahal kita. Pero alam mo naman kung bakit ako nandito, di ba? Para magtrabaho, para sa pamilya ko.
Kahit na magpakasal tayo, pwede ka pa din magtrabaho.
Hindi ba pwedeng dahan-dahanin na muna natin? Doon din naman yung punta natin eh, pero maghintay lang muna tayo ng ilang taon pa. Please?
Bakit ayaw mo magpakasal sa akin? Ha? May iba ka ba?
Troy!
Ha? Nanlalalaki ka ba?
Troy, please, ano bang ginagawa mo? Troy, bitawan mo ko, nasasaktan ako! Troy, ano ba?
Mahal mo ko. Mahal kita. Magpapakasal tayo. Akin ka lang, okay? Akin ka lang!
Ano ba? Bitawan mo! Troy! Troy, ano bang ginagawa mo? Intindihin mo naman ako! Ikaw na lang yung lagi kong iniintindi. Lahat ng pagkakamali mo iniintindi ko. Ako naman ngayon, please. Troy, sakal na ako sa iyo eh. Hirap na ako. Troy, kung palagi tayong ganito, mas mabuti pa mag-iwalay na lang tayo. Troy.
Hey, Rosalind, is everything all right? What happened?
I just broke up with my boyfriend. Our relationship is becoming more toxic each day. When he doesn't get what he wants, he tries to hurt me. He physically and emotionally abused me. I'm so sick and tired of him.
I'm really sorry to hear that, but I think you made the right decision. I mean, you don't deserve a man like him. You don't deserve a relationship like that.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary!
Thank you. Yeah, I'm sorry, Han, that I wasn't able to prepare a present for you. You know, I got bills to pay and my salary isn't quite the same as yours.
That's fine.
You know what? I promise I'll make it up to you.
Open it.
Are you serious?
You like it?
I love it. Han, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Try it on.
Rosalind!
The hell?
Rosalind!
Troy? Troy, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Pinagpalit mo ako? Kaya mo ba ako iniwan dati? Pinagpalit mo ako dyan? Tapos bakit? Bakit mo ako pinagpalit?
Troy, ano ka ba? Umalis ka na dito! Umalis ka na!
Look, man, we don't want any trouble here, all right?
Trouble? You are the trouble! Nananahimik kami ng girlfriend ko tapos bigla kang susulpot? Ikaw yung problema eh!
What the hell's wrong with you, man? What's our problem?
What's my problem? You! You are my problem! You hard-headed... Siraulo!
Troy, tama! Tama na! Troy, ano ba? Tama na, Troy! Joe! Troy, ano ba? Matagal na tayong tapos!
Babalikan ko kayo! Babalikan ko kayo!
Kala ko naman magba-brown out. Hay nako. Opelia, alam ko hindi ka okay, pero laban lang. Teka nga pala, kamusta na nga pala yung investigation? Nalaman na ba nila kung ano yung nangyari kay ano? Kung ano yung nangyari kay Roselyn?
Wala eh. Wala naman kasing ebidensya. Tapos lahat naman tayo dito sa ospital eh, kinausap na ng mga pulis. Wala pa ring lead eh.
Iba naman yan. Kawawa naman si Roselyn. Tingnan mo.
Joe? Hi. How are you?
I feel ya. I'm not okay. I'm sorry.
I understand. This is a really difficult time for all of us. I'm sure it's even more difficult for you. You've been with Rosalind for more than a year already.
You know, we had so many plans, so many dreams. It's just so hard to accept that we both lost someone we truly love.
Let's just hope for the best. I'm sure the police, they're doing the best that they can so that they'll be able to find the culprit soon.
Yeah, maybe. I've just been thinking of something, but...
Something? What is it?
Never mind, it's...
No. Joe, tell me, is it about Rosalind? What is it?
I've just been thinking, you know, do you remember Rosalind's old boyfriend?
Troy? What about him?
Don't you think he's capable of doing something like this? I mean, Rosalind told me about the time where he hurt her, and there was that incident where he almost killed me too.
Troy could be the person who killed Rosaline?
Anong meron? Bakit mo ako pinapunta?
Namimiss ko yung kababata ko eh. Mga tawanan namin, kulitan.
Si Roslyn?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Ano ba yung nagawa niya para ma-deserve niya yung nangyari sa kanya, no? Hindi na naawa yung pumatay? Paano pa kaya nakakatulog yung killer na yun sa gabi? Ikaw, Troy. Paano ka nakakatulog ng mahimbing?
Ophelia, kung iniisip mo na may kinalaman ako sa pagkamatay ni Roslyn, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko wala.
Wala nga ba?
Oo. Aaminin ko may matindi kaming away, okay? Pero kahit isipin mong siraulo ako or may topak ako, hindi ko kayang pumatay ng ibang tao, okay?
Troy, ganito na lang. Kaibigan ka naman namin, di ba? Baka naman kahit konti, meron ka pang natitirang konsensya para sa ginawa mo. Umamin ka na. Umamin ka na.
Hindi ko kayang pumatay ng tao.
Ano yan? Galing sa sunog yan, ah. Sa sunog na ginawa mo?
Pinagsasabi mo?
Alam mo, nagawa yun. Walang iya ka? Ikaw ang pumatay, no?
Di ako pumatay, okay?
Ikaw! Ikaw! Totoo yung sinasabi ni Joey!
Tumigil ka nga!
Ikaw ang pumatay! Ikaw!
Tumigil ka!
Ikaw! Ikaw ang pumatay!
Habang tila pira-pirasong papel na pilit pinagtatagni-tagni ni Ophelia ang mga pahiwatig, naiuwi na rin sa Pilipinas ang labi ng yumao niyang kaibigan.
Oops. Purple, sir. Purple. Sa'yo. Kilala ko na kung sino pumatay kay Roslyn.
Nangilabot si Ophelia sa kanya natuklasan, kaya dali-dali siyang sumugod sa mga pulis para mag-file ng report. Pero agad din siya natikilan. Paano nga naman tatanggapin ng pulis o kahit saang korte ang kanyang testimonya na sinapian siya at kinausap ng kaluluwa ng yumaong si Roslyn?
I'm afraid we cannot use this kind of argument in court, as there is not a solid evidence to prove your allegations.
Sir, please, listen to me first because I can give you full details, sir. Every detail I can tell you, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what do you see? What did she tell you?
Okay. Sir, that night, he was asking Roslyn for money because he has a debt, sir.
Look, it's not a big deal, all right? It's just $100. And I'm gonna pay you back. I'm just in a really bad situation right now.
Don't you ever mess up with me, Joe.
What are you talking about?
I already know the truth. If you're stupid enough to cheat on me, then you're definitely dumb enough to get caught.
Well, look, if you don't want to lend me the money, that's fine. Just say so, but just stop it with all this drama.
Why don't you tell me you're married? That you already have your own family. Joe, I gave you everything that you wanted. I supported you with what you needed. But you fooled me! You made me think and feel that you really love me! That we're complete whenever we're together!
I'm sorry, I wanted to tell you everything. I was just waiting for the right time.
A right time? Do you really think I'll buy that? Joe, this is enough. I don't deserve a liar like you.
I love you, you know that.
Please leave! By the way, you better prepare yourself. Because I'm gonna tell your wife about us. She deserves to know.
Don't do this, you know I love you.
You don't love me, you just love my money! No, Joe, please, no!
I will kill you before I let you ruin me.
No, please, no!
I tried to talk to you nicely. I wasn't asking for much. All I needed was money. That's it, really. All I needed was money. Money. And for you to love me. Like how I pretended to love you.
Joe.
Joe killed my friend.
I'm sorry about with your statement. I'm pretty sure the court will issue an arrest warrant for him.
Sir, please, sir.
But maybe we can summon him for our investigation. Good afternoon.
Yes, officer?
Yeah, we're here for Mr. Joe Smith. We need to invite him to the prison. There are things that we need to ask him.
My husband is not here. But what is it about?
It's about a woman who got killed in her own apartment. Perhaps. Do you know her?
I'm sorry. I don't know her. But don't worry. I tell my husband about this.
Thank you.
Excuse me,
Yes?
may I ask where you get that necklace?
This was gave it to me by my husband, Joe Smith.
Thank you.
Dahil sa pambihirang testimonya na inilahad ni Ofelia sa korte, lumutang ang iba pang mga ebidensya na nakatulong para matukoy ang salarin.
Ma'am, excuse me. You're not supposed to be here.
Officer, please, I will just speak with him. You made us believe that you genuinely love my friend? You ended up murdering her? Nabulok ka sana sa bilangguan.
I think it's better if you come with us.
Nahatulan si Joe Smith na guilty sa kasong murder. At mula rin noon, hindi na muling nagparamdam si Roslyn sa kaibigang si Ofelia.
Maraming salamat, Ofelia. Masaya na ako. Alam ko wala nang mananakit o magpapahirap sa kanya.
Para po sa panibago niyang paglalakbay.
Salamat.
Ang buhay ay hindi iisang daan ng mga itinakdang hirap at pasakit. Ito ay isang daan na nagbibigay sa atin ng maraming pagkakataon para marating ang sarili nating tadhana. Sa ngalan po ni Marian Rivera, magandang hapon. Ako po, si Dingdong Dantes.